hope everybody is doing well out there. Thanks for tuning in and welcome back to the channel. So today I got a tool review for you guys. I got sent some tools from a company up in Canada called Great Tools, and from what I understand, they opened a new line called Dynamic Tools. So I was sent some of the Dynamic Tools. Reason why I'm here at my storage is because I just recently signed a lease on a new workshop, so I'm kind of in between workspaces. So I actually got to get in my storage and grab a workbench or some type of table so that I'm able to actually put the tools on something to give you guys a review. Alright, well, I got my load together. I'm going to head back to the workspace, set up my workbench, and do this tool review. Okay, well, I'm on my way to my new workshop. While I'm driving and heading over there, why don't we jump on the website and take a look at what they have to offer. Okay, so here on their website, the very first thing I noticed was free deliveries over $40. That's nice. That's really easy to do. And then down here, earn 10% back on your purchase. So that's pretty nice. And then you can see right here, of course, earn points and redeem for rewards. Open 24/7 with fast delivery. Lifetime warranty on most products. That's a big one. And then over 2,000 quality tools to choose from. So if we go up here to shop, this will give you an idea of pretty much all the hand tools that they carry. And you can see they do have some made in USA stuff over here too. So they do have quite a bit of made in USA stuff. If you're interested in that. What I was interested in the most was warranty. So depending on the item, I'm pretty sure the warranties vary, but you could go down here and request a replacement. So that's good to know. I read somewhere on this website, I can't find it, but I read somewhere where it said hassle-free warranty. So we'll have to put that to the test sooner or later. But looks like everything seems to be pretty straightforward with this company. They do offer lifetime warranties on a lot of stuff, and it's the basic, send a photo, put in the information, brief description on what happened. So pretty nice. And then down here, I did see some tool storage. So if you might be interested in some of their tool storage, you can also take a look at that. One thing I wanted to show you that could be really good for a mobile mechanic, they have this really nice mobile toolbox. So this right here would be great. And then it looks like there's two different versions. I'd be curious to see how big this thing is. Oh, there's a video on it. So if you're curious about that, there's a video on it. Also, there are videos. And then if you were interested in something particular, you could go over here to reviews, and somebody might actually be reviewing what you're interested in. So go over here to reviews and check out some of these reviews on some of the products that they carry that you might be interested in. So I'll leave a link in the description so you can get over here to the website and check it out. I'm just about pulling up to the shop now, so let's head inside. Okay guys, so I got a table set up. We can go ahead and throw our tools up here and take a closer look. Okay guys, so here's all the stuff that Gray Tools sent me from their dynamic tool line. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of this stuff one by one. I was going to do an unboxing of the package that they sent me, but I actually opened them up because I actually had to use some of the tools that they sent me here. So I just had to go ahead and open it. But let's start off with these pliers they sent. These pliers are actually half pliers, half wrench, if you will. I really like these pliers. So far, this is probably the best item that they sent me so far. If you take a closer look, you can see here that there's no teeth in these pliers. So what it pretty much is a wrench. All right, so it'll fit right over a nut or a bolt, and then it has a handle to provide clamping force. So there's no teeth on these, and it opens all the way up to about 52 millimeter. So I don't know if the camera can pick that up or not, but I really like these. These are a huge time saver. These actually are a Gray tool product and not a dynamic tool product. So let me give you the part number on this. So that's the part number on these pliers. You know, these are a great time saver. If you ever get into a circumstance where either in a hurry and you're not sure what size fastener you're dealing with, and you just need to grab a tool just to maybe hold a nut, you know, tight on one end while you work the other side, or you just need to grab a tool really quick, these are great for that. This is a huge time saver. So I really do like these pliers. These are actually German made pliers. So it says right here it's made in Germany. So I'm not sure how well the camera picks it up, but these are made in Germany. Anyway, moving on to the next item are a set of screwdrivers here. Let's pull these out. Nice little pouch, lug them around in. So these type of screwdrivers we're all familiar with. Electricians use these type of screwdrivers more commonly because these aren't conductors, so they won't get electrocuted. But what I like about this set is that you can actually swap out which screwdriver you want. So it says open right here. So just twist it open and slide in whatever size you want. So that's pretty convenient. I can tell you right now that I'm going to end up taking these home and using these for any electrical work that I might be doing around the house, installing maybe a new electrical outlet or anything to do with an electrical repair around the house. That's what I'm going to use these for. So thanks, Gray Tools. I appreciate all the tools that you sent. Okay, next up, got a magnetic socket tray. It's a 3-piece organizer, so you're gonna have your 1/2 inch, your 3/8 drive, and your 1/4 drive. Let's get these out, take a look at them. I don't know if they have them in any other color. May have to refer to the website on that to see if they have them in any other color, but these are magnetic. And on a 1/4 drive, it's gonna start off at 1/8 and then max out at 5/8 on shallow and deep. And then on a 1/2 inch, it's gonna start at a 1/4 inch and max out at 1 inch. And then on a 3/8 drive, it's gonna start at 3/8 and then it's gonna max out at 1 1/4 with also one extra slot here for an adapter, maybe a universal or a size reducer or something like that. So this is the socket tray they sent. I wish they would have sent me a metric one. I would have swapped out the Hansen trays that I'm using for these. I much prefer this type of socket tray over the Hansen. I'm pretty sure most people do. The little tabs on those Hansen trays, they break off, and sometimes the socket gets snagged if you you know, not paying attention and you try to grab it at an angle. But yeah, these are a huge time saver, great organization tool. You know, socket tray, what more can I say? So they do carry magnetic socket trays if you're in the market for them. And let me get you the part number. So there's the part number on the magnetic socket trays. Okay, so the next item that they sent me were these T-handle extra long 8-piece hex key set. And nice set. I've already used them. I actually had to use these to put my table together before I shot this video. So I've already used them, and I could say from using them, it's a pretty solid tool. It's a lot longer than I initially thought when I opened it up. So you can see they're pretty good length. They're very heavy, very dense feeling. Definitely doesn't feel cheap. You could tell right away when you hold them that it's a pretty decent quality tool. Also, I noticed that they do have individual part numbers, it looks like, on each T-handle. So if you take a look there, you can see there is individual part numbers. So I'm assuming if you lose one or you break one, you probably could just reach out to Great Tools and probably just get that one replaced. Also in here, it came with a little booklet. So it just basically giving you a little bit of information about the tool and the company. And also they do have tool storage. So, you know, that's worth taking a look at. Checking the prices out and see what type of deals you can get on these toolboxes. And it says that it features ball bearing slides for smooth drawer operating and closing and heavy duty steel construction. So I haven't been up close and personal with any of the toolboxes, so I can't say for sure, but I can tell you these tools aren't cheap tools at all. These tools seem to be pretty decent. I would say it's kind of like in that nice mid-grade range. The contact person who reached out to me said, if you think Snap-on, you think Blue Point. So think Great Tools, think Dynamic. So Great Tools being the more premium, and then the Dynamic line not being quite as premium as their gray line. So again, I don't know where these are made, but they told me all their tools are either made in the USA or made in Taiwan. So it looks like they do have some stuff that's made in Taiwan as well. So I'm trying to give you guys as much information on these tools as I can, because this is a new tool line. I haven't heard of Dynamic, so they are out of Canada and they're trying to break into the US market. So that's pretty much all I know about them. Okay guys, so what's my overall thoughts and impressions on the Dynamic tool line? I do have limited knowledge of the tool line, and I've only taken a look at just a few items that they carry. And what I gather from these tools is that it's a nice, solid, mid-grade type of tool. I don't think you'll be disappointed if you buy Dynamic tools. And I really like the fact that there's more options available. So I'm all for technicians and you know, other blue-collar guys to have more options available, because if you take a look around, especially on Amazon, there's a lot of cheap stuff floating around out there, and this stuff ain't that. So it's pretty solid. Again, they're up in Canada. From what I understand, they're trying to break into the US market, and that's why they sent me these tools to show. As far as how durable they are and how long they'll last and things like that, and what their warranty is like, I really don't know at this point in time. Okay, so if I was to recommend anything that they sent me today, it's definitely gonna be these pliers right here. And again, that's the part number on them right there. I really do like these pliers, and I think you will too. All right guys, well that's all I have for you today. I will link Great Tools down in the description if you're interested in taking a look at some of their tools or some of their tool storage. Anyway, this is Bryan916. I'll see you guys on the next one.